What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Fathead Cycles YouTube channel. You guys asked for it, we're gonna give it to you. That's right, splash shield for your double din inner fairing, whether you got a road glide, a street glide, a 99 to 13 with a 95 HDIF on it, whether it's the Scotia kit or the Metra kit, we found a solution for you to keep the water off your faceplate, off your radio. That way you're dry and clean going down the road at all times. Nothing but peace of mind here. So let's test it out. Turn it on so we can see that there's actually a radio behind the smoke screen. All right, so what do you get when you order one of our splash shields? First, you're gonna get two magnetic sleds that mount behind your radio faceplate, so that way you have a trimless, flush, factory appearance on the outside of your motorcycle when your splash shield is not on. Doesn't require any glue, doesn't require any adhesive tape, nothing. These are precision fit to fit in your mounting faceplate. Splash shields. Comes in smoked, clear. We can also special order you any color that you want. Give us a call, let us know. We can put your club logo down in the corner. We can customize this any which way you want for an additional charge. This is going to be available in 15 and up road glide, 14 and up Batwing fairing, and is also going to be available for the Metra 95 HDIF double din inner fairing. How do you install it? Super easy, super simple. First, take your head unit out of your bike. If you haven't done this install yourself, you had somebody else do it for you, check out the links to our other videos in the comments below on how to remove and install your radio in your particular motorcycle. From here, you need to remove the 4 Phillips head screws that hold your radio to the faceplate. Lift your radio out of the faceplate and set it aside. You're going to take our 2 magnet sleds and slide them in between the hold down tabs. Give it a good hard push, make sure it fits in perfectly. Magnet side down, push it into this area. Bring your radio back in and screw your faceplate back on. That's it. Doesn't look like we've done anything from the outside. Clean, factory look. That's what we were going for. How do you put your splash shield on your faceplate? It's that easy. Let's take this outside to a bike that we already have it installed and put the faceplate on. So now that we have our magnets installed on the back of the radio, how do we install our faceplate? It's that easy. No screws to lose, no mounting tabs to break, nothing. It just holds itself right there with magnets. How do you remove it? Either corner, pull up, it comes right out. One thing to note is this does have magnets on the back of it, so if you throw this in your saddlebag or get it around any metal shavings, they will attach to the back of the magnet, so make sure you brush it off before you drop it in place. That way you don't scratch your radio. All right, guys, so that's it. That's how to install our long-awaited splash shield on your double din inner fairing to keep your radio nice and dry. If you like what you saw here today and you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button. That way you can stay up to date on all of our future content. Check us out on our socials, Facebook and Instagram. Hit the website, www.fatheadcycles.com. Any questions or comments? They go in the box below. Until next time, guys, Thanks for watching. Enjoy the ride. Stay safe.